welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my weekly spread in my passion planner. I will show you how it goes in the book. So this is the monthly layout and this is the current week's weekly layout. So what I like to be able to do is quickly flip between the weekly and the monthly layouts. So what I usually do is I get a paper clip, and what I do with it is clip the two pages together, and that way I am able to quickly flip back and forward between the layouts when I need to. And I also have these tabs which I hang on the corner of my page. So what I find useful about these is they help me keep track of important dates and things and assessments I need to do for each subject. So now let's get started. The first thing I like to do is block in what I spend the most time doing each week, and for me that is going to school. So I'm just going to go ahead and write that in and then continue doing this for every other day of the week. So now I'm just drawing in the lines to make the time blocking more obvious. Now I'm just going to use a highlighter and go over the times that school starts and end. So now that I've done that, I have kept a timetable at the back of my planner. So I'm just going to take that out and put it on the front here so that I can write in the subjects I have throughout the week. Oh, and I realized I did not have school on Monday because it's Labor Day. So let's ignore it for now. I'm going to first of all block in when I have lunch. Now I am going to use my pink tab because I know that this week sometime I have an accounting sack. So I'm just going to grab a fine liner and write that on. Yep, so now that's done, I will leave it dry aside because I know that it takes a while to dry. Looking at my timetable now, I'm just going to write in my subjects for each day. When I make mistakes, I usually just go over right out and just keep going. I forgot to write in lunch, so I'm just going to do that now. I moved the timetable and now I'm going to put in a habit tracker. So I have a cute little cactus sticker and I'm going to just use it to decorate the page. Okay, so now I'm just going to use some washi tape to stick down the habit tracker. At the top of every page, what I like to do is put a to-do list. So things I need to do each day and get them complete. I'm going to add some things to do on my to-do list at the start of this week. For this week's focus, because I haven't been feeling too well last week, I'm going to say to rest up and study hard because I guess being sick I wasn't able to do much work. So now I will use a sticky note and put it on the weekend to make sure that I study. So sticky notes I find are quite flexible, you can change them around. And because I'm not sure when I want to study, I will just be using a sticky note as a reminder. Now I'm just going to draw little bubbles next to all my subjects, and these are what I mark as my homework to-dos. So after each period or each session of the subject, I will write in all the homework I need to do and make sure I get them done by the end of the day. If not, then I will put them in the list at the bottom of the work to-do list. I'm going to do filling my habit tracker now with all the habits that I want to do. Yep, now I'm going to fill it in my personal to-do list.